Luoyang EFANT precision bearing comes to the 18th International Machine Tool Exhibition. Now I will introduce our products to you. We mainly produce cross-roller bearings and rotary table bearings. This is the inner structure of our rotary table bearings. This is the inner structure of our cross-roller bearings. This is one of the smaller models. These are our large-size cross-roller bearings. These are our large-size rotary table bearings. Here are some pictures about our factory, assembly, and our overall factory diagram. The two types of bearings we produce are mainly used in the automation, robots, medical instruments, CNC indexing plates, CNC turntables, and other industries which require high precision requirements. Thanks.